Have you ever said something in anger you later regretted, or felt like a moment of rage took over who you are? In those moments, we lose our clarity, and often we lose the respect of those we care about most. But what if you could train your mind to meet anger with calm, not to suppress it, but to transform it? As Marcus Aurelius wrote, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Today we explore Stoic techniques that can help you regain emotional control and meet life with greater composure, clarity, and calm. If you're someone who values inner strength and emotional mastery, consider joining our community in the Stoic Code. This channel is your calm space to learn how timeless wisdom can transform modern challenges. Number 1. Understand emotional hijacking. Emotional hijacking refers to the overwhelming surge of emotions that can disrupt our daily lives, often leading to impulsive reactions and regrettable decisions. Common triggers include stress, misunderstandings, and unmet expectations, which can quickly escalate into anger and frustration. Recognizing these moments is crucial for personal growth, as it allows individuals to pause and reflect rather than react impulsively. By understanding the dynamics of emotional hijacking, we can develop healthier coping mechanisms and foster emotional resilience, ultimately enhancing our overall well-being and relationships. Number 2. Choose calm over chaos. Stoic philosophy emphasizes that the mind is the true battlefield where our emotions and reactions are shaped. Stoics believe that we possess the power to choose calm over chaos, allowing us to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. This perspective is crucial in managing emotions like anger. Key figures in Stoicism, such as Epictetus, taught that our responses to external events are within our control, encouraging us to focus on our thoughts and attitudes. By embracing these teachings, we can cultivate emotional resilience and maintain inner peace amidst life's challenges. Number 3. Recognize anger as a habit. Anger is not an inherent trait, but rather a response that we learn over time through our experiences and environment. It often develops as a habitual reaction to stressors or perceived threats. By recognizing anger as a chain reaction, viewers can understand that they have the power to control their responses. This awareness is crucial for breaking the cycle of habitual anger, allowing individuals to replace impulsive reactions with more thoughtful responses. By doing so, we can foster healthier emotional patterns and improve our overall well-being. Number 4. Pause in the moment of conflict. The moment of emotional conflict can feel like a battlefield, especially in relatable scenarios such as waiting in line. Frustration can easily arise when things don't go as planned, triggering an instinctive reaction. In these moments, it's essential to pause and reflect before responding in anger. Ask yourself whether expressing anger will truly improve the situation or simply escalate it further. By taking a moment to breathe and consider your response, you can navigate these emotional conflicts more effectively, fostering a sense of calm and control. Number 5. Observe before you react. To effectively detach from emotions, it's essential to observe them without immediate reaction. Techniques such as mindfulness and deep breathing can help cultivate awareness of your emotional responses, allowing you to acknowledge feelings without being overwhelmed. By practicing mindfulness, you create space between the emotion and your reaction, enabling clearer thinking. Additionally, rational thinking plays a crucial role in emotional situations. it helps you assess the context and choose a measured response. This combination of observation and rationality empowers you to manage emotions more effectively and maintain composure. Number 6, practice calm as a discipline. Remaining calm in chaotic situations can significantly impact outcomes, distinguishing composed responses from explosive reactions. While explosive reactions often escalate conflicts, a composed response demonstrates true strength and emotional control. This ability to maintain calmness not only helps in managing personal emotions, but also influences those around you, fostering a more constructive environment. It's essential to practice staying calm, especially in the face of disrespect, as this reinforces your resilience and sets a powerful example for others. Embracing this practice can lead to healthier interactions and improved relationships. Number 7, use Stoic techniques daily. To effectively manage anger, consider implementing practical techniques such as pausing, deep breathing, and reframing your thoughts. When you feel anger rising, take a moment to pause and breathe deeply, allowing yourself to regain composure. Reframing your thoughts can help shift your perspective, turning frustration into understanding. Encourage viewers to practice these techniques in real-life scenarios, whether at work or home, to build their emotional resilience. Remember, mastering emotions takes discipline and consistent practice, but with time, these strategies can lead to healthier responses and improved well-being. If you're enjoying these insights, consider subscribing to the Stoic Code. Join a growing community focused on emotional strength, clear thinking, and living with intention. Anger doesn't have to own you. Through understanding, mindfulness, and practical Stoic wisdom, you can break the cycle of emotional hijacking and choose clarity over chaos. From recognizing anger as a learned habit to pausing during conflict and reframing your thoughts, each technique builds a foundation of inner strength. Real change doesn't come from one moment. It comes from showing up every day, even in the smallest moments. Mastering your emotions is a quiet, powerful act of self-respect. Join our community in the Stoic Code, where everyone is committed to growth and groundedness. Share your reflections in the comments. They may help someone else walk the path with more clarity. As Seneca wrote, "No man is more unhappy than he who never faces adversity, for he is not permitted to prove himself." Today, choose to respond, not to react. Until next time, walk with calm and courage.